Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Corolla radiator. First, park on level ground, disconnect the battery, and relieve coolant pressure before draining the radiator. Keep a drain pan ready and dispose of coolant safely. I will guide you through removing the shroud, draining hoses, swapping the radiator, and refilling the system so your Corolla runs cool again. Begin by loosening the drain petcock and letting coolant flow into a container until empty. Remove the upper hose, then the lower hose, and unbolt the fan shroud and cooling fan assembly. Label any electrical connectors and fasteners as you go to simplify reassembly. Lift the radiator straight up once mounts and brackets are clear, taking care not to bend the fins or spill remaining fluid. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like for more practical car fixes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep lunches mess-free while you wrench on your Corolla, perfect for greasy fingers and tight garages. I find they save time and reduce spills when I'm under the hood. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the replacement radiator into position, secure all mounting bolts, and reattach the fan shroud and cooling fan. Reconnect upper and lower hoses with new clamps if needed and refill with the recommended coolant mixture to the proper level. Start the engine and allow it to reach operating temperature while monitoring for leaks and ensuring the heater outputs warm air. Top off coolant after bleeding trapped air and confirm stable temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.